Delicious barbecue pork ribs recipe. Let's make it. 2 pounds baby back ribs or pork ribs. Remove the silver skin. Then cut the ribs into pieces. Season with salt and pepper. Give it a good massage. Let it sit for 15 minutes. 1 cup of pineapple juice. 1 tablespoon of calamansi extract or lemon juice. Half a cup of banana ketchup or tomato ketchup. 4 tablespoons of barbecue marinade mix, any brand. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix well. For cloves of garlic, finely minced. Mix well and set aside. Heat the cooking oil. Sear the ribs until slightly brown. Remove some excess oil. Add in the mixed barbecue sauce. Bring to a boil. Add 1½ cups of hot water. Add more later if needed. Simmer over low heat until the ribs is tender. Stir occasionally. Add Thai chili pepper. Adjust to taste. Continue cooking until sauce thickens. Done. Bon appetit. Here's our delicious barbecue pork ribs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.